Hello everyone, ako po si Dr. Ces. We will be talking in this video about how to prepare for pregnancy with lifestyle modifications. So let's just admit it, hindi talaga tayo pare-pareho na ng circumstances. Some women get pregnant easily kahit na ano pa yung lifestyle nila or environment. But some are challenged. In this video, we will first discuss yung role ng weight and exercise. So, dun sa susunod na part 2 ng video na to, we will discuss the rest. Take a minute to evaluate your daily habits. If you are doing a healthy lifestyle already, then that's an advantage. Remember that this is a team venture. You and your partner are both key players here. Why do weight matters? We have a part of our brain called the pituitary gland which produces FSH and LH that affects egg maturation and ovulation each month of our cycle. Kapag extremes of weight, meaning underweight, overweight, and obese, this affects maturation of the egg and ovulation. When there's too much fat in our bodies, that would cause increasing levels of insulin, which in turn increases androgens, and these androgens prevents egg maturation and ovulation. Weight is also an issue for men. It's just that the effect of weight on fertility is not well studied. Hindi gaya ng sa mga babae. Just like female hormones, excess weight may affect or alter male reproductive hormones and thus affect conception. Kapag yung mag-partner ay parehong overweight, it will take a longer time for them to get pregnant. More so, kahit na isa sa kanila ay overweight or underweight or obese, there's still that challenge. This is the BMI chart or body mass index chart that most health providers use to assess your weight and your health. On the vertical side is your height, whereas the horizontal part is the weight. So you'd be able to track down whether you're within the normal BMI or underweight or overweight or obese. The good news is taking steps to achieve a more healthy body weight will help improve your menstruation and ovulation, thus increasing the chances of getting pregnant. If you're overweight, achieving a weight loss of 5 to 10% of your present body weight can improve fertility. That amounts to about 10 pounds. And this is something that you and your partner can do together. The effective way to lose weight is to take in fewer calories and exercising more. Whereas, if you are at the extreme end of the BMI chart, meaning you are underweight or too thin, you only need to gain weight. So now, let's talk about the role of exercise in getting pregnant. So some of you may be groaning already when we talk about exercise kasi pwedeng hindi ka fan ng exercise. But then, if you're really wanting to get pregnant, then you might need to rethink or reframe your mind that exercise should be part of your daily routine. In one research, moderate exercise, at least 5 hours a week, were found to have the shortest time to pregnancy. Examples of moderate activity or exercise include brisk walking, playing golf, and biking. Although moderate exercise can promote fertility, too much vigorous activity can have the opposite effect. Some research suggests that more than 5 hours of vigorous aerobic activity can impair fertility. Such activities include running and fast cycling. The reason being nai-impair yung reproductive system with vigorous physical activity is that nadadivert yung resources papunta sa musculoskeletal system instead of going to the organs that regulates our hormones. If you are an athlete who does more than 5 hours a week of vigorous activities or exercises, you don't have to cut down the number of hours you're doing it, but you may replace some of these with moderate activities. We've already discussed yung benefits ng exercise on fertility. In one study, it was found out that vigorous physical activity for obese women would benefit them more, whereas yung mga normal, yung BMI or normal weight, they would benefit from moderate physical activity. So how do you start exercising? How much do you want to do it each week? Most organizations would suggest doing it at least 150 minutes in a week. So that would amount to about 5 times na tig 30 minutes each day. And then adding in strengthening exercises na 2 to 3 times in a week. The advice is to do it slowly. Do something that you enjoy. What you do is not as important as how you do it. It should be a regular. It should be a habit and part of your daily routines. Exercise comes in different forms, and different forms of exercise provides different results. Aerobic exercises are the ones which causes us to breathe faster and deeply in order to deliver oxygen into our bodies. Kaya mas efficiently na deliver yung oxygen ng ating heart, ng lungs, and blood vessels into our bodies. Examples of aerobic exercises included jogging, dancing, biking, So yun yung mga examples ng aerobic exercises. These exercises strengthens us and boosts our energy levels during times of fatigues that accompany the first semester of pregnancy. Strength training helps to maintain muscle mass while you are trying to lose weight. It brings about good muscle health, also good bone health. This is very important kasi nga during pregnancy, bone health is affected, and also yung ligaments and mga joints, they loosen and stretch. So at least we should try to do strengthening exercises 2 to 3 times in a week. Strength training exercises are the ones which uses yung mga resistance and weights. The core muscles are the ones that are located in the abdomen, in the pelvis, and in the lower back. This is very important kasi nga during pregnancy, you need your muscles, core muscles, to be strong enough to hold the expanding uterus. And it also helps during childbirth and labor. Yung mga flexibility exercises or yung stretching exercises helps prevent injuries. It also provides a better posture and also helps relieve stress. During pregnancy, ang benefit nito ay it reduces yung mga discomforts and aches sa mga katawan natin brought about by the changes in the ligaments and joints. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. So sa susunod, abangan nyo yung part 2 ng video na to, which will discuss on about stress, about sleeping, yung alcohol, smoking, and role ng diet in preparation for pregnancy. So thank you so much. I will see you next time. God bless you all.